Hi, I'm Jennifer Williams, Research Amplification Lead for the Fire Safety Research Institute.
And I'm Brian Brush, Training Chief for the Midwest City Fire Department in Oklahoma. We invite you to join us at FDIC 2025 for a 4-hour workshop where you'll learn how to translate research-based fireground knowledge into fire safety messages for the public.
As a modern firefighter, you understand the important role of research in improving training and education to operate more efficiently on the fireground. But are you leveraging the same information to effectively engage your community? While some may not see this as their role in the department at the company level, you may be the most trusted, most visible, and the closest to your citizens.
Historically, firefighters charged with participating in community events have relied on outdated messages shared passively through promotional materials. With the support of FSRI research-based resources, you can use your fireground knowledge to teach your community how to implement fire safety practices. You are the experts who can help them understand the why.
Join us at FDIC 2025 to enhance your ability to have more meaningful and educational conversations with members of your First Due. Even just one proactive conversation might save more lives than your rescue efforts.